We've been waiting for this day ever since, well, the day we started waiting for this day. That's right, guys. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has landed right here in the For the Love of Tech studio. Actually, it landed at my office while I was on a Zoom call. At any rate, it has landed in my lovely possession, and I'm more excited about this device than I have been on any device all year. The reason is, well, I went over the reason in the video right there. Ding! If you want to go ahead and check it out, but don't forget to come back and watch this video. But until then, let's get into the unboxing. So in this box, I most likely also have a pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, the gold edition, and you've already seen those. We can talk. You've already seen those on the channel. These came along with the purchase. There's a good chance I'm sending this back, as well as the Samsung Galaxy, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Gold watch. I think it's the 41mm one, because I already bought that one. Bought it, returned it, didn't fit my wrist, got this one, and it fits perfect. It's absolutely great. I already have this reset in anticipation of pairing with my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Are you as excited as I am? Okay, so here are, of course, the buds, which we've got a pair right up there. You can't see it, but I don't think we're gonna open those up because we've already seen them here on. It's so pretty. The box is so pretty. They look pretty much the same, but it doesn't mean I'm any less excited about it. So here we go, friends, family, and tech lovers. We have this beautiful, oh my gosh, I love the Galaxy Note line. I've always been in love with it. I've always felt like the Note symbolized me being more of a cell phone user than anybody else, because I am a productivity monster. I am a workaholic. I am a creator that never stops, and I'm always creating and doing them, and I need a note in my life to take notes, pretty much. The moment we've all been waiting for. SIM card ejector tool. Ooh. Oh my gosh, are you excited to see the back of it? Oh, guys, look. All the things that make it a note. All the things that make it a note. I'm so excited. Woo! I need a moment. Not only is this camera hump aggressive, it is like precision sharp. So this phone is not, in my opinion, is not designed to be used without a case, because, well, look at, that's even more aggressive. Woo. This is the S20 Ultra, and the difference in sizes is very minimal. If you go ahead and take a look here, it's almost as if the S20 Ultra is it's a little bit taller, guys. If you look side by side, I don't know if you can tell in this camera shot here, but the Note actually appears to have more of a rounded infinity display on it versus the Samsung S20 Ultra, which in my opinion allows them to say, hey, the screen is bigger. That's all. I saw one of these inside the Best Buy, and it didn't hit me on how beautiful the device was. But now that we've actually had a chance to touch it, to own it, to be like, this is mine, I'm really excited. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and take our SIM card out of our OnePlus 8 Pro and put it into the lovely Samsung Galaxy S20. I don't don't know what the phone's called. This is a Note 20 Ultra, guys. I don't know what these things are called. The names change all the time. Every phone has a different name. It's so annoying. But over here, we have our beautiful phone soap, which we use to disinfect and sanitize our phone. So we're gonna come over here. If you wanna go ahead and learn more about phone soap, I'll go ahead and link the video right there. Bing! And we'll show you exactly what it is and how this thing can sanitize your phone and keep you, your friends, your family safe, disease, and germ-free. And in the description, there's a discount code. So if you're gonna buy one, might as well save some money. Ever so slightly. This is it, guys. This is it. Note 20 Ultra. Can you believe it? Together, shall we? I'm on Verizon. And it just said T-Mobile. It totally came with a T-Mobile SIM card. I don't even know what to do. I might cry at this point. When I go ahead and set up a new phone, I like to use it as an opportunity to start fresh, to lessen the load, if you will, and just re-download and add things I absolutely need and want. So this is definitely a T-Mobile device, even though I ordered an unlocked device. So I am unsure if my data will even end up working on here. So for the most part, we're gonna play with it a little bit. Just take a look at some of these wonderful buttery features that we're taking. Oh my gosh. So we've got that, Spotify for everyone. Automatically wants to set up my watch. I reset my watch earlier. So my first impressions of this is it's absolutely amazing. I love the way it looks and feels. I'm gonna go ahead and just check. So there's a quick little update for the Galaxy Store. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. I've been told that there's a camera update right out the box. In traditional Samsung fashion, I would expect nothing less than a camera that needs updating right out the box. There's seems to be a whole bunch of different updates here, so we'll go ahead and just take those really quick. To be fair to Samsung, we have to be fair, give them a chance to update. So there is a camera update right there. Added depth guide, pop-up related to short-range shooting.
A few moments later.
Let's do our little test. You know the test I like to do. You guys know it. We're gonna drop down really quick and see how quick this auto focuses, and that's gonna tell us if they fixed it. So let's go ahead. That's pretty good. All right. That's pretty quick. That's like no autofocus here, guys. Wow, good job, Samsung. So my overall impressions so far is I have to check to see if I'm gonna be able to use this device on my network, because I guess somehow I got a T-Mobile version, but we'll work that out. But I absolutely love it. The Mystic Bronze is a gorgeous color. You can already see from the beginning, it does soak up fingerprints, but it has a really nice finish. And the logo is like this glossy logo on top of this matte rough finish. So it feels really good. I actually prefer this camera hump than this camera hump, even though this is more aggressive. This one does seem a little bit smaller. So putting humps on humps, I prefer this one. Guys, this phone's for me. This phone is for me. I like that it's thinner than the S20 Ultra. It definitely is thinner, and if you don't think it matters, it does. It feels better in my hands, and that's what's important. Guys, if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, show YouTube all that algorithms love, so that way it knows to show my videos to other people, because YouTube has they've given up delivering notifications, so you don't even know when this video comes out. So if you found it and you watched till the end, thank you, and until next time, for the love of tech, namaste.